How to back up WhatsApp images to Google Photos. So let's get started. So if you also want to back up WhatsApp images to Google Photos, it's simple. So once you're inside your WhatsApp application and you are logged into your account, now simply select this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply head over to your settings. And once you're inside your settings, just tap on this chat button over here and scroll down and click on chat backup option. So basically now you can see there's option to choose Google account. So basically just choose the Google account which you are using or logging in with your Google Photos. So your Google account option over here and your Google account in the Google Photos application which you use to log in must be same. So there is also option called automatic backup, so you can basically turn this on, like whether you want weekly or monthly or daily, or whenever you tap like on the button called backup, just like this. And once you do that, your files or photos, images, everything will be automatically backed up on the particular provided Gmail account, and you can easily view that from your Google Photos as well using the same Gmail account. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.